Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of magnetism and electromagnetism. In this video, we'll explore what magnetism is, how it works, and why it's so important in our daily lives. Magnetism is a force that can attract or repel certain materials like iron, and is responsible for many phenomena we encounter, from compass needles pointing north to the operation of electric motors. As we move forward, we'll see how magnetism connects with electricity, forming the basis of electromagnetism, a cornerstone of modern technology. Let's start by understanding the basics of magnetism. Magnet is an object that produces a magnetic field, which is invisible but exerts a force on other materials that are sensitive to magnetism, such as iron, nickel, and cobalt. Magnets have two poles, a north pole and a south pole. When you bring two magnets close together, opposite poles attract while like poles repel each other. This simple property is the foundation for many devices and technologies. Magnets can be natural, like lodestone, or artificial, created by humans for specific uses. Next, we'll look at how magnetic fields work and how we can visualize them. Magnetic field is the region around a magnet where magnetic forces can be detected. Although we can't see magnetic fields with our eyes, we can observe their effects. For example, if you sprinkle iron filings around a magnet, you'll see them arrange themselves in patterns that reveal the invisible field lines. These lines emerge from the North Pole and curve around to the South Pole, forming closed loops. The strength of the magnetic field is strongest near the poles and weaker farther away. Understanding magnetic fields helps us grasp how magnets interact with each other and with other materials. Do you know that our planet Earth acts like a giant magnet? Deep within the Earth, molten iron moves and creates a magnetic field that extends far into space. This field protects us from harmful solar radiation and makes compass navigation possible. The Earth's magnetic poles are not fixed. They slowly drift over time due to changes in the planet's core. This natural magnetism is essential for life and technology, influencing everything from animal migration to satellite operation. Next, let's see how electricity and magnetism are connected. Connection between electricity and magnetism was discovered in the early 19th century. Scientists found that when an electric current flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around the wire. This discovery led to the development of electromagnetism, a field of physics that studies the relationship between electric currents and magnetic fields. Electromagnetism is the foundation for countless modern devices, from electric motors to transformers. Let's dive deeper into how electric currents generate magnetic fields. An electric current passes through a straight wire. It generates a circular magnetic field around the wire. This was first demonstrated by Hans Christian Ørsted in 1820. The direction of the magnetic field depends on the direction of the current, following the right-hand rule. If you point your thumb in the direction of the current, your fingers curl in the direction of the magnetic field. This principle is used in many applications, such as electromagnets and electric motors. Next, we'll see how coiling the wire amplifies this effect. If you take a wire and coil it into a helix, you create a solenoid. When an electric current flows through the solenoid, the magnetic fields from each loop combine to produce a strong, uniform magnetic field inside the coil. Solenoids are used in many devices, such as doorbells, relays, and MRI machines. The strength of the magnetic field depends on the number of coils and the amount of current. By inserting an iron core into the solenoid, you can make the magnetic field even stronger, creating an electromagnet. Electromagnets are simply coils of wire with an electric current running through them, often wrapped around an iron core. Unlike permanent magnets, electromagnets can be turned on or off by controlling the current. They are widely used in everyday life, from scrapyard cranes lifting heavy metal to the speakers in your headphones. The ability to control the strength and presence of the magnetic field makes electromagnets incredibly versatile and essential in modern technology. Inside magnetic materials, tiny regions called magnetic domains act like miniature magnets. In an unmagnetized material, these domains point in random directions, canceling each other out. When the material becomes magnetized, many domains align in the same direction, producing a strong overall magnetic field. This concept helps explain why some materials can be magnetized while others cannot. Understanding magnetic domains is key to developing better magnets and improving technologies like hard drives and electric motors. Magnets can be classified as permanent or temporary. Permanent magnets retain their magnetic properties over time, like the magnets on your refrigerator. Temporary magnets, on the other hand, only exhibit magnetism when exposed to a magnetic field or electric current. For example, a paperclip can become a temporary magnet when touched by a strong magnet. This distinction is important in designing devices that require either constant or controllable magnetism. Not all materials respond to magnetic fields in the same way. Materials like iron, cobalt, and nickel are ferromagnetic, meaning they can be strongly magnetized. Other materials, such as aluminum or copper, are not attracted to magnets. Understanding which materials are magnetic is crucial for building devices like transformers, electric motors, and generators. Scientists continue to discover new magnetic materials with unique properties, expanding the possibilities for future technologies. The process of magnetizing a material involves aligning its magnetic domains. This can be done by placing the material in a strong magnetic field or by rubbing it with a magnet. Once the domains are aligned, the material becomes magnetized and can attract other magnetic objects. However, if the material is heated or struck, the domains may become disordered, causing the magnetism to weaken or disappear. This process is reversible for temporary magnets but not always for permanent ones. Magnetization is the process of removing or reducing a material's magnetic properties. This can happen naturally over time or be induced by heating, striking, or exposing the material to an alternating magnetic field. Demagnetization is important in recycling and reusing magnetic materials, as well as in certain manufacturing processes. Understanding how to control magnetism allows engineers to design better, more reliable devices. Magnetic forces can cause objects to move without touching them. This is the principle behind maglev trains, which use powerful magnets to levitate and propel the train above the tracks, reducing friction and allowing for high speeds. Magnetic force is also used in electric motors, where the interaction between magnetic fields and electric currents produces motion. These applications show how magnetism can be harnessed to create efficient, innovative transportation and machinery. Michael Faraday discovered that a changing magnetic field can induce an electric current in a wire. This principle, known as Faraday's law of induction, is the foundation of electric generators and transformers. When a magnet moves near a coil of wire, or the coil moves near a magnet, an electric current is produced. This process is essential for generating electricity in power plants, and for many other technologies that rely on electromagnetic induction. Electric generators convert mechanical energy into electrical energy using the principle of electromagnetic induction. Inside a generator, a coil of wire spins within a magnetic field, causing electrons to move and creating an electric current. Generators are used everywhere, from power plants to portable backup units. They are crucial for providing electricity to homes, businesses, and industries, making modern life possible. Transformers are devices that use electromagnetic induction to change the voltage of alternating current electricity. By adjusting the number of coils in the primary and secondary windings, transformers can increase or decrease voltage as needed. This technology is essential for transmitting electricity over long distances, reducing energy loss and making power distribution more efficient. Without transformers, our electrical grid would not function as it does today. Electromagnetic waves are created when electric and magnetic fields oscillate together and travel through space. Light, radio waves, microwaves, and X-rays are all forms of electromagnetic waves. These waves carry energy and information, making wireless communication, medical imaging, and many other technologies possible. The study of electromagnetic waves has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and led to countless innovations. Magnetism is all around us, even if we don't always notice it. From the magnets on your refrigerator to the speakers in your phone, magnetic forces play a role in many household items. Credit cards use magnetic strips to store information, and MRI machines rely on strong magnetic fields to create images of the inside of our bodies. Understanding how magnetism works helps us appreciate the technology we use every day. Magnetic storage devices, such as hard drives and credit cards, use tiny magnetic domains to store data. By changing the direction of these domains, information can be written, read, and erased. This technology has enabled the development of computers, digital cameras, and many other devices that rely on fast, reliable data storage. As technology advances, new forms of magnetic storage continue to emerge, offering greater capacity and speed. Magnetism plays a vital role in modern medicine. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, machines use powerful magnets and radio waves to create detailed images of the body's internal structures. This non-invasive technique helps doctors diagnose and monitor a wide range of conditions. Other medical devices, such as pacemakers and hearing aids, also rely on magnetic components to function properly. The use of magnetism in healthcare continues to grow as technology advances. Magnetic levitation, or maglev, uses magnetic forces to lift objects without physical contact. This technology is most famously used in maglev trains, which float above the tracks and can travel at incredible speeds. Maglev is also used in scientific experiments and precision manufacturing, where frictionless movement is essential. The ability to levitate objects with magnets opens up exciting possibilities for future transportation and engineering. Electromagnetic spectrum includes all types of electromagnetic waves, from radio waves to gamma rays. Each type of wave has different properties and uses. For example, radio waves are used for communication, while X-rays are used in medical imaging. Understanding the electromagnetic spectrum helps scientists and engineers develop new technologies and improve existing ones, from wireless networks to advanced medical equipment. Magnetic sensors detect changes in magnetic fields and are used in a wide range of applications. They help smartphones determine orientation, enable anti-theft systems in stores, and assist in navigation for vehicles and robots. Magnetic sensors are also used in industrial automation and scientific research. As technology advances, these sensors are becoming more sensitive and versatile, opening up new possibilities for innovation. Electromagnetic induction is at work in many everyday devices. Induction cooktops use changing magnetic fields to heat pots and pans directly, making cooking more efficient. Wireless charging pads for phones and electric toothbrushes also rely on electromagnetic induction to transfer energy without wires. These technologies make our lives more convenient and demonstrate the practical power of electromagnetism. Magnetic fields are not limited to Earth, they exist throughout the universe. The Sun and other stars have powerful magnetic fields that influence solar flares and space weather. Even galaxies have magnetic fields that affect the movement of cosmic particles. Studying these fields helps astronomers understand the structure and evolution of the universe, as well as protect satellites and astronauts from space hazards. Many animals, such as birds, turtles, and bees, use Earth's magnetic field to navigate during migration. These creatures have special biological sensors that detect magnetic fields, helping them find their way over long distances. Scientists are still studying how these natural compasses work, but the phenomenon highlights the importance of magnetism in the natural world. MRI is a powerful medical imaging technique that uses strong magnetic fields and radio waves to create detailed images of the inside of the body. Unlike X-rays, MRI does not use harmful radiation, making it safe for patients. The technology relies on the principles of nuclear magnetic resonance, which allows doctors to see soft tissues, organs, and even the brain in great detail. MRI has revolutionized diagnostics and treatment planning in medicine. Electromagnetic brakes use magnetic fields to slow down or stop moving objects without physical contact. These brakes are used in trains, roller coasters, and industrial machinery, providing smooth and reliable stopping power. By controlling the electric current, the strength of the braking force can be adjusted instantly. Electromagnetic brakes are an excellent example of how magnetism can be harnessed for safety and efficiency. Magnets play a crucial role in recycling processes. Powerful electromagnets are used to separate ferrous metals like iron and steel from other materials on conveyor belts. This makes recycling more efficient and helps conserve resources. Magnetism is also used to sort electronic waste, making it easier to recover valuable components. The use of magnets in recycling demonstrates their importance in environmental protection. Magnets are not just for science and industry, they're also used in toys and games. Magnetic building blocks, puzzles, and board games use magnets to create fun, interactive experiences for children and adults alike. These toys help teach basic principles of magnetism in a hands-on way, sparking curiosity and creativity. The use of magnets in play highlights their versatility and appeal. Artists and designers use magnets in creative ways, from kinetic sculptures that move with magnetic forces to magnetic paints and installations. Magnets allow for interactive and dynamic artworks that can change shape or position. This fusion of science and art demonstrates how magnetism can inspire innovation and beauty in unexpected places. While magnetic fields are generally safe, strong magnets can pose risks if not handled properly. For example, powerful magnets can damage electronic devices or cause injury if they snap together unexpectedly. In medical settings, strict safety protocols are followed when using MRI machines to protect patients and staff. Understanding the potential hazards of magnetism helps ensure that we use this force safely and responsibly. Superconductors are materials that can conduct electricity with zero resistance at very low temperatures. When placed in a magnetic field, superconductors exhibit the Meissner effect, expelling the magnetic field and allowing for magnetic levitation. This property is used in maglev trains and advanced scientific experiments. Superconductors represent the cutting edge of research in magnetism and hold promise for future technologies. Magnetism is essential in communication technologies. Microphones and speakers use magnets to convert sound into electrical signals and vice versa. Hard drives and magnetic tapes store audio and video data for playback. Even fiber optic networks use electromagnetic principles to transmit information as light signals. Magnetism enables the fast, reliable communication systems we depend on every day. From maglev trains to electric cars, magnetism is transforming transportation. Electric motors powered by magnetic fields drive vehicles more efficiently and with less pollution. Magnetic sensors help with navigation and safety features, while maglev technology promises faster, smoother travel. As we look to the future, magnetism will continue to play a key role in making transportation greener and more advanced. Industrial applications of magnetism are vast and varied. Magnets are used in sorting and lifting heavy materials, controlling machinery, and ensuring product quality. Magnetic sensors monitor equipment performance, while electromagnets are used in manufacturing processes. The reliability and efficiency of magnets make them indispensable in modern industry, driving productivity and innovation. Magnetism is a powerful tool in scientific research. Particle accelerators use strong magnetic fields to steer and focus beams of charged particles, enabling discoveries in physics and chemistry. Magnetic resonance techniques help scientists study the structure of molecules and materials. The study of magnetism continues to push the boundaries of knowledge and technology. Renewable energy technologies such as wind turbines and hydroelectric generators rely on magnetism to produce electricity. Magnets in generators convert mechanical energy from wind or water into electrical energy. As the world shifts toward cleaner energy sources, magnetism will play an even greater role in powering our future sustainably. Spacecraft and satellites use magnetism for navigation, attitude control, and scientific instruments. Magnetic fields help protect astronauts from cosmic radiation and are used to study planets and stars. As we explore deeper into space, understanding and harnessing magnetism will be essential for future missions and discoveries. At the quantum level, magnetism arises from the motion of electrons and their intrinsic property called spin. Quantum physics explains why some materials are magnetic and others are not. Research in quantum magnetism is leading to new discoveries in materials science and could pave the way for quantum computers and advanced technologies. The future of magnetism is full of exciting possibilities. Scientists are developing new magnetic materials, exploring superconductivity, and inventing advanced devices that use magnetic fields in novel ways. From faster computers to more efficient transportation, magnetism will continue to shape the world around us. Staying curious and learning about magnetism opens the door to innovation and discovery. Let's review the key concepts we've covered. Magnetism is a force that can attract or repel certain materials, and it's closely linked with electricity through electromagnetism. Magnetic fields, domains, and materials all play important roles in how magnets work. Electromagnetic induction enables the generation and transmission of electricity, while magnetic technologies power countless devices in our daily lives. Understanding these principles helps us appreciate the impact of magnetism. Magnetism and electromagnetism are fundamental forces that shape our world. From the smallest electronic devices to the largest power plants, their influence is everywhere. By understanding how magnetism works, we can better appreciate the technology and natural phenomena that surround us. As research continues, new discoveries will keep expanding our knowledge and capabilities, making the study of magnetism an exciting and ever-evolving field. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of magnetism and electromagnetism. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of these fascinating forces and their role in our lives. Whether you're interested in science, technology, or just curious about the world, magnetism offers endless opportunities for discovery and innovation. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science.